I just got here to eat.
Thank you.
Okay, and here it comes.
Here it comes. Quick. The mad rush. Mad rush, Evie.
And there it goes.
Thank you so much.
I didn't get you. Sorry. Can I get this one? Please. Move.
Said she's done, she's done. Okay.
She's done.
No means no. No doesn't mean yes. Okay, sorry. Depends who you're asking.
Move out of the shot.
I mean, does no mean maybe? No. Okay, sorry. No means no.
We're upstairs.
Hi. Are we here?
And so it begins.
That's it.
Thank you, Emmy.
Thank you.
No means no. No means maybe. No means yes. That's it.
It never works with paparazzi.
That's it, you guys know. Thank you so much.
Emmy, gotta ask Letterman.
No, sorry.
You gonna miss Letterman, Emmy? You know? You gonna miss Letterman? I mean, I gotta ask Letterman. You gonna miss Letterman?
Everyone's gonna miss Letterman.
What's that?
Everyone's gonna miss Letterman.
All right.
Melissa, are you gonna miss Letterman? Absolutely.
We're all gonna miss
I
Letterman?
didn't. I had the TiVo. DVR. Oh, solid now. DVR.
Yeah, nobody TiVos anymore.
All right.
Nobody
Maybe I
all right, it's
still
all
have
good.
a TiVo.
All right.
Calm down.
All right. You following the presidential election? How annoyed are you at the oil spill in Santa Barbara? I'm annoyed. I'm bothered by it. The oil spill. Are you bothered by it? I'm annoyed. I could use it, but if this ends up on television, I can't use the words I want to use. So, you know, you can just cross. Oh, you're waiting for a car?
No, we're waiting for the light.
No, there's no light. You just gotta go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We would have been here all day. Right here, you gotta wait for a light. All right, Emmy, you look lovely as always. Big fan. Thank you. Enjoy. Very nice. All right. Take care. Appreciate it.